The 3A and Design Thinking in Cairo.
Another, smaller application of the 3A approach in this course was a fieldwork project conducted in 10 distinct communities in Cairo. This part of the course can be considered as a hands-on real-life workshop in entre-premiership where innovation can be practiced in a socially responsible manner and not only studied. Developed by KMD University, Japan, the Design Thinking module of the course introduced students to a new method of developing commercially viable ideas through an ethnographic field study. Design thinking is an ability to combine empathy, creativity and rationality to meet often unarticulated user needs and helping the user get the job done in an easier and more fun fashion. Betancourt and Dulek, 2008. Unlike analytical thinking, design thinking is a creative process of a natural building up of ideas with no early judgments. A1. The students start the 3A cycle by first learning the methodology of design thinking, its objectives and expected outcomes. Then, they conducted their field research in a specific urban location in Cairo with high concentration of population. During their field work, the students observe the behavior of individuals in a particular community, awareness. A2. Then, the students create several models of their subjects' behavior analyzing their patterns and identifying their unarticulated needs and desires, analysis. The idea is to find a pattern of activities and attempt to extend them in order to augment the human experience in a socially responsible fashion. The idea of commercializing experience is relatively new. In the past, we moved from selling products to selling services, but now, selling experience, for example theme parks, Starbucks, cultural tourism, is becoming more prominent. Thus, the focus of this project is to identify commercially viable ideas towards improving people's experience in the urban communities under consideration. The component of social responsibility and public interest is a recent development in the business domain. When deciding how to commercialize the experience, a manager can take an agnostic decision, or a socially responsible decision. The latter would invariably bring additional benefits such as improved reputation, enhanced employee morale and increased public good. Cohn, Feldman, and De Silva, 2003. Thus, students were encouraged to explore a solution which could enhance public good, for example, developing facilities for elderly and disabled in Al-Azhar Park, color coding of metro destinations to help illiterate passengers, providing a bus service for Armenian Center visitors. A3. The final, action part of the 3A cycle encourages students to develop a proactive attitude. This translated into taking the necessary steps to materialize their ideas. The students were required to prepare a sales pitch for their ideas and present it to the concerned parties such as Ministry of Tourism, OK, Carrefour, and Al-Azhar Park. The process involved writing letters of introduction, setting up meetings with the respective parties, preparing presentations, delivering their sales pitch and obtaining from their potential customers a signed letter of intent. As a result, some of the students' ideas are now being considered for implementation. As a whole, this interactive learning experience produced tangible outcomes for all stakeholders. The course was enthusiastically received by the students and the companies involved. This was also one of the highly ranked courses in the program. In their anonymous course evaluation comments, the students mentioned this course as the most valuable experience in their many years at the university. These results show that the 3A approach leads not only to a better understanding of a complicated material, but also increases motivation and engagement of students, improves their understanding of the corporate social responsibility and benefits the students, the companies and the society at large.